This is Portronics Hydra 10 mechanical brown switch keyboard. What is meant by brown switch? Majorly, three types of switches are preferred for mechanical keyboard. Red, brown, blue. Red provides silent switches. Brown switches have moderate typing sound compared to red switches. Blue switches have high sound compared to two switches. Based on your needs, you can choose suitable switches. Basically, this keyboard provides three various modes for connection. One is Bluetooth, another dongle, another Type A to C cable. In Bluetooth mode, you can connect up to 3 devices using function plus Q, and using function plus W, and using function plus E. These are the shortcuts you can to connect to 3 devices. Using function plus R shortcut, you can connect dongle. Dongle provides backside of the keyboard. And using function plus tab, you can switch wired to wireless or wireless to wired. Coming to the RGB, it provides 20 various modes of RGB. It looks interesting. They have offered some shortcuts to control the RGB. They have some shortcuts I want to tell about. Using function plus brightness symbol, you can change the mode of RGB. Using function plus up arrow button to increase the brightness of the RGB. Using function plus down arrow button to decrease the brightness of the RGB. If you don't want RGB, using function plus X button to stop the RGB. Finally, the keyboard price ranges up to 1,700 to maximum 3,000. The price deviates, so check and place order at low price.